We did not know much about my mother's culture growing up. One day, while we watched cowboy and Indian movies, cheering for the cowboys, Mother told us we were Indian. She tried to instill pride of our culture in us that day. We were young. We cried. We didn't want to be like those characters we saw in the movies. My name is Vicki Lynn. I am the eldest child with 3 siblings. My mother is Rita Marie Gasco of Harbor Springs. She was born in the year 1939, and she was removed from her grandmother's home and her culture at a young age. My early adult life was consumed with raising children, but then I developed this pain. Conventional methods were not working, and I eventually went to see traditional healers. They put me on my journey. That which was disconnected began to connect, and I was given the name Bate Monkwe, which means Laughing Loon Woman, and my clan is Sturgeon. Although another healer told me I was ThunderClan, I was beginning to find myself. Some things remained unclear. During the early 90s, some tribes received federal recognition. Land monies were dispersed and tribal offices were developed. In the early 2000s, I got a job as a community health representative. One of my first assignments was to assist the elders to the Chicago powwow. It was the biggest event I had ever been to. While I was there, I was approached by a woman from an eastern tribe. She wanted to know about the beadwork on my shirt and what the colors meant and the clan I belonged to, but I didn't have clear answers. Suddenly, the woman said she had envisioned a man with white hair named Pine. She told me this was the person who could help me find what I was seeking. I found Pine at a care facility in Petoskey, and I introduced myself to him. I asked him about the ThunderClan. He brightened up. He was in fact ThunderClan himself, and he shared many meaningful things with me that day. This was a turning point for me. It has been a long journey to this point. I look forward to the rest with all my relations.
Meet me by the water, we will sing until the sun goes down. Meet me by the water, we will drum until the stars are around. We will see the full moon rising up high in the sky as we sing and pray all night. Meet me by the water, we will sing until the sun goes down.